Hello, Circle. Look what I've got here. It's a tiny greenhouse from my Dollar Tree haul. And that is the plant starting soil, also from my Dollar Tree haul. And there are tomato seeds in there. Roma tomatoes, also from my Dollar Tree haul. I still have about half of the seed packet left over, and this whole project, not including any water I've used, cost $3 so far. There's 2 seeds in each pod, maybe 3 in 1 or 2 of them, because the seeds are really tiny. But I am hoping that I can get these 2 trellis. I already have 4 tomato cages, and I'm pretty sure I will plant these in the tomato cages. You know, maybe these 4, hopefully 4 out of the 6 take. And if I'm lucky and I get a whole bunch of them that take, then I have some pallets out back from my Halloween haunted house that I can use the reclaimed wood from to build trellises for these. And all I'll have to do is add a little bit of some thick vinyl twine. That way, the vines will have a place to travel. Anyway, it is time to water these with lukewarm water. Ooh, no, that's coming out too strong. What's happening here? Okay, it's supposed to be a fine mist of lukewarm water. So that's what we're doing. This is on my bathroom counter, by the way, because it's warm in here, and I don't care if I get it all wet. Let us put this back on, and let our little Roma tomatoes, oopsie, hello finger, let our little Roma tomatoes germinate. So, thumbs up if you like this video and you want me to post the progress of my gardening this year. This is the first of many plants that I plan to grow. Blessed be, and have a wonderful day.